In today's video, we're going to be using one of these portable jump starters to try and revive this battery right here, but not this one because this battery works just fine. We're going to be using an old battery to see if it works. Is it snake oil or, well, snake solid? Let's find out. Okay, so here's the battery we're going to be testing the charger with. It is in awful condition. You can see the cells are leaking here, especially those two. Absolute disaster. Let's see what it measures at. So this is going to be a worst case scenario test. Not even 1 volt. Not even 1 volt. So it's going to be interesting. Can the charger get the car to start with disconnected? Let's see. So every promotional advertisement I see on these portable jump starters, people tend to be using a battery which seems okay or it's average. I want to see what happens when we hook it up to this nasty thing right here. So pop the negative off. Let's get the positive. And hook our positive there. Okay, out with the new. And in with the old. Okay, the nasty old battery is nice and secure. Just to show you, put our key in here. Absolutely nothing, no crank, nothing at all. Let's see, will it work? Okay, so these are the instructions if you're curious on this particular battery. Some support polarity protection, which means you can put the red on the black, black on the red, and you're not going to screw anything up. So this jump start is fully charged. There's a bold claim here, it can start 5 to 10 cars. So it's going to have no problem with this battery, perhaps. Okay, so let's follow the instructions. We have our red clamp right there, nice and solid. Now we have our black clamp there. And then it says to connect this last. I'm guessing that's so you don't accidentally short these two out. Then once I connect this, I have 3 seconds to try and start the car. Okay, it's all connected up. Let's go. I think we might need 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. Wow, I'm actually quite amazed. Let's disconnect it. Okay, remove the black. Remove the red. And that is it. Wow, I am actually quite impressed. Look at that. Amazing. And just to show that it is discharged still. There, see? Still dead. Wow. So after jumping the car, the battery still says 100%. Now we know with phones and all different types of electronics that most of the power is up near the 100. Once you get down to 50, 60, it will tank. So it's not an accurate representation. 5 to 15 cars. Well, let's try it out. See how many times we can jump this car. Okay, number 2. Three, 4, 5. Okay, so this is after 5 starts. It's reading 86%. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 10 starts, it's reading 66%. Okay, so 10 starts, it's now reading 66%. I think we'd probably get 18 or 19 out of this. I don't want to push the starter or the electronics or this beyond its limit because they have been within quick succession. But I am actually quite impressed with this product. I did not think it would work at all. Well, maybe a bit, but you can charge your phone here with a USB. It's got an emergency light, all different kinds of things, and all different kinds of starters are going to work the same, but this is a EAFC one. I'll link it in the description below if you want to check it out. It's actually quite cheap and very lightweight as well. I have a similar one which is a lot heavier, so this will probably be something I'd carry in my backpack around with me on adventures and charge my phone and also the car if I need to. So wow, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.